Hi there, it's Melanie Reese, your CHI Financial Stability Advisor. It's that time of year when we're feeling a little relief that the holidays are over, and possibly a little anticipation that tax season may bring us some much needed financial relief. We are bombarded with ads for tax preparation services and tons of things that we've been told that we just absolutely must have. It can be really challenging to stick to your financial goals this time of year. So I put together a list of 10 ways to use your tax refund to get you closer to achieving financial success. 1. Make a plan and stay focused. If you anticipate getting an income tax refund, it will definitely pay off to take some time to think about how to best put the money to use. It's your money. Be smart with it. Review your financial goals. Are you trying to get out of debt? Do you want to go back to school? Or do you just want to start saving? Whatever it is, make a plan and stick with it. Also, resist the urge to splurge. Now, that's not to say that you can't have a little fun with your refund, but it's best to just set aside a small amount, say 5 to 10% of your refund as fun money. The average taxpayer rakes in a refund of around $3,000. So that would give you $150 to $300 to treat yourself or your family. 2. Eliminate debt. No one likes the weight from credit cards and loans bringing them down. Paying off or reducing your debt is the best investment that you can make with your tax refund. If you have a large amount of debt or can't pay it off in its entirety, prioritize your payments by tackling the debts with the highest interest rates first, and then utilizing the snowball method for paying down the remaining balances. Also, please keep in mind that once your debts are paid down or paid off, you don't want to continue the debt cycle by winding up your balances again in the following months. Remember, you have a plan. Don't stray from it. 3. Start your emergency fund. Get peace of mind by having enough money on hand to cover unexpected expenses, like a flat tire, or a cut in work hours, job loss, or even a medical emergency. Even a small amount dedicated to an emergency fund can help soften the blow when the unexpected arises. If you already have an emergency fund, give yourself an extra boost towards saving the 3 to 6 months of living expenses that is recommended by experts. 4. Invest in yourself. Using your tax refund to pay for additional training or tuition for school is an investment that can pay off for many years to come in the form of bigger paychecks and greater job stability. In addition, we have quite a few residents in our program that operate their own small businesses, using a portion of their tax return for uniforms, supplies, equipment, or even marketing can bring back a good return for your money and help you build your business. 5. Start saving for that down payment. Oftentimes, when I meet with residents, their number one goal is home ownership. Setting aside some money from your refund for future closing costs and your down payment can help you move closer to realizing your dream of purchasing your very own home. 6. Only buy things you need. Yes, it's nice to have the latest phone and gadgets or to treat your kids to an expensive vacation, but if becoming more financially secure is truly your goal, you should stop to ask yourself if what you're spending on is a need or a want. Think about it this way. If you wouldn't have budgeted, saved, and paid for it out of your own normal paycheck, then don't use your refund for it either. 7. Be your own hero. We all want to help those around us, but offering loans from money that you and your family need could end up hurting you more in the end, especially if it doesn't get repaid. Avoid letting other people know how much money you're expecting in your refund. Saying no may come with guilt if friends or family ask you for a loan, but it's important to keep your financial goals in mind. 8. Give your money a purpose. If you just put the refund in your checking account, you may slowly spend it, or you may give in on an impulse purchase just because you know the money's there. You'll be surprised at how quickly your money can disappear if it doesn't have a purpose. If you're unsure of how to use the money, it's better to just keep it in a savings account where it can accrue interest, or add it to your emergency savings fund. If you don't have a bank account, consider opening one. I can help you find a bank or credit union that is right for you. 9. Live like you didn't know this money was coming. This is hard. We have all hit tough times, but if you're waiting on your refund to arrive just so you can pay for your regular monthly expenses like rent, car payments, or utilities, you can really end up in trouble. What if the government takes longer to process your refund than you anticipated? Then you're looking at late fees, possible repossession of your vehicle, or reconnect fees, not to mention having to play catch up all year because you started off behind. Creating a spending plan can be helpful in making sure you don't find yourself in this situation. Please discuss this with your case manager or set up a time to meet with me one-on-one so that we can come up with a plan to prevent this from happening in the future. 10. Be patient. This is really important. Avoid refund anticipation loans. They are just that, loans. We may think that since we didn't have the money in hand to begin with, it doesn't hurt us to sacrifice some of it to get our refund just a little bit faster. But like I said in the beginning, it's your money. These loans usually have extremely high interest rates attached to them. You could see yourself easily giving away hundreds of dollars just to get the remainder of your refund a little bit faster. Oftentimes, the amount of time that it'll take to get your refund is really not that much longer than if you get one of these loans. So you're better off just waiting. Plus, if your refund is lower than expected, you'll end up being stuck paying the difference and with interest. Now that brings me to one very important thing that you should do. It's a bonus, and this bonus will help you jumpstart your savings. It's easy, and everyone can benefit from it. Do get your taxes prepared at one of Foundation Community's Prosper Center Tax Center sites. There, you can get your taxes prepared for free by IRS-trained volunteers. Locations will be open all over the city. Please check for flyers at your property or go to foundcom.org for locations and hours of operations. Honestly, the bottom line is it doesn't matter how much you're getting in your tax refund. It can be a large amount or a small amount, but it is up to you to put the cash to good use. And if you can't decide what to do with it, don't hesitate to reach out to me to set up a one-on-one financial coaching session. We can work out a plan together. It's hard to stick with your goals when you get a large chunk of money at once, but resist the urge to splurge. Your future self will thank you for it.